anything else on gear related? Care and feeding of the camera. Does it feel like it's at the top of the show? You mentioned that it feels really sturdy. Is there anything that gives you angst? How about cleaning? Is it all?
No, the lens cloth that came with it is great. I haven't had to use it too much. Kind of just, before I start, I'll look at it and say, okay, looks clean to me. There's, no dust on the glass. I haven't tried it outside. I did try it outside in between rain, but I haven't tried it during rain, and I don't think I do.
I don't have it in me to ask you to do that for our audience.
Yeah,
I know your $6,000 investment there might.
And I know some people that have used the Pro 2 outside during rain, and I still wouldn't do it. I think there's just a limit. No, I'm not going to do it.
So I noticed in the We Get Around Network forum that some members have various lighting solutions. There's not really a place to attach anything, it looks like, to the Matterport Pro 3 camera for lighting. Do you have any thoughts on lighting?
I do. Can I grab something?
Yeah. I'm also curious if you've scanned outdoors or scanned indoors in low lighting. We talk about bright sunlight outdoors, but any low light?
Haven't done low light yet.
Okay.
For my Pro 2, I bought these Litra lights.
Yes.
And just a bunch of various GoPro kind of mounts, and then I'll mount this right on top of the Pro 2.
Okay.
So I think, and
Litra. Litra. Okay.
And these ones are dead, so I can't turn them on, but they're extremely bright.
Yeah. In fact, we did an entire WGAN-TV Live at 5 show on those lights. So if anyone wants a deeper dive on that, and there's actually, if it's still for sale, a specific mount for the Matterport Pro 2 camera.
So this one worked great, but I would think that you could just take this and stick it right there.
Well, that makes me nervous. Doesn't make you nervous?
Why?
I don't know. Change the torque of the camera, $6,000. No?
I'm going to be a rebel and try it.
All right, report back to us, please.